Oh, here I am at Raymondskill Falls, and it's the same day that I went to Dingman's Falls, if you looked at that video. So looks like they got a new sign here. I guess they rotated this map that was horizontal before, and anyway, we're right here, and the falls are not shown, but if you go over to this map, we're right here in this parking lot, which is actually closed, by the way, and it's just a quarter-mile loop down to the falls and back. No big deal, but looking forward to seeing what it looks like in the winter. I don't know if that fencing is to keep the zombies out or what exactly. I guess they had too much trouble with people getting off the trail and finally gave up. So, listen to those birds. So the temperature has come up when I left, well, when I left the car at Dingman's Falls about 2 hours ago, it was 10. And finished that hike and drove up here. It's just a 15-minute drive up to Raymondskill Falls, and it's 20 degrees now. Way more comfortable, and I guess I'm heated up from walking too. And I found out what this fence is for. It's to keep the deer out of the vegetation. So they're waiting for all this stuff to regrow, and eventually, when it's grown enough, they'll be able to take it down, because it'll be immature enough that the deer won't be able to eat it and kill it. It's just hard to imagine that all these beautiful waterfalls are in this tiny, but I mean, this is 10 minutes away from the Dingman's Falls, which is 15 minutes away from Bushkill Falls, which I didn't see yet, and right around the corner from Raymondskill Falls, and it's just on and on. Unbelievable, really. If you like waterfalls, I think this is where you need to come. I haven't met anybody that says they don't like waterfalls. Notice that platform. I guess I got some more stairs to climb. right, so somehow it is 4:45 on June the 5th. Where'd the day go? I went for a bike ride, saw 2 beautiful waterfalls, had a great breakfast in East Stroudsburg, and I guess now we're gonna mosey back to Philadelphia. No idea how long that's gonna take, but if the video comes out, this day was a total success. If the video doesn't come out, it was a, you know, partially, almost complete success. So, all right, if you watched this far, I really do appreciate it. Thank you.